The story that you are about to be told is one of lies and deceit, a concept of old. You will meet the cast of our mystery show once per week and follow the clues until you know. Who done it, with what, and where? And by All Hallows Eve, you too will get there. Six letters are written and taken worldwide for six strangers to meet this day oceanside. This decrepit old house has stood here for many a year. But on to this day, a murder happens here. Mr. Body did not think today would be his end. But now it is up to you to discover who murdered their friend.